Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in party supplies and fun products. Today, we're diving into the world of sports-themed celebrations to showcase a fantastic find, the best football goodie bags on the market, the Duroni 16 pieces football gift bags with handles. These bags are a perfect addition to any football-themed event, whether you're hosting a birthday party, a game day celebration, or just a fun gathering with friends. These goodie bags come in a convenient pack of 16, featuring 2 different styles adorned with vibrant football graphics. Each bag measures approximately 8.7 by 6.3 by 3.1 inches, making them the ideal size to hold a variety of treats and small gifts. They are designed to be sturdy, crafted from high-quality paper, and printed with excellent ink that ensures that the colorful designs stand out beautifully. One of the standout features of these bags is the sturdy handles. The handles are well constructed, allowing for easy carrying, which is especially important for kids who just want to dive into their goodies. The open design enables easy filling, ensuring that you can pack these bags with cookies, toys, and any small gifts you want to surprise your guests with. What makes these football gift bags truly versatile is their ability to fit seamlessly into any football-themed occasion. They're not just for parties. Think about using them for school events, fundraisers, or community gatherings. They can be used to hold snacks, small toys, or even party favors that align with your football theme. In terms of pricing, these bags are an excellent value at just $11.99 for 16 bags. That breaks down to only 75 cents per bag, allowing you to have budget-friendly fun while making sure each guest leaves with a memorable treat. By now, it should be clear that these Duroni football gift bags are more than just stylish. They're practical, durable, and perfect for any football fan. So if you're gearing up for your next event, don't overlook these fantastic goodie bags. Check them out today and make your football party unforgettable. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.